We'll be doing a MB Stone introduction to stone restoration. We're very excited about that. Here we go. Come on in. Stu Rosen here with MB Stone Care. Just want to show how we use our MB24 water-based sealer. We'll take our MB15, just clean the stone off, spray a little bit down. Use a microfiber. Get the stone prepared for the sealer. Our sealer will protect against the intrusion of staining agents on the surface of the stone. MB24 is water-based, no VOCs, highly effective. The application goes as follows. You would spray some down on the surface. You want to spray enough to form a layer, and then you want to let the product slowly load into the stone surface. So once we do an application, we may leave it on the stone surface for anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes and let it load into the stone. And then we would wipe away all the residues and do a second application. Okay, we're back. The sealer has absorbed into the surface of the stone. We're just going to wipe off the residue here, because that really is the crux with any type of sealing operation, is always getting the residue or the leftover residue of the sealer off the face of the stone. That way when it dries, you won't have streaks and smudges and things like that. And what we'll do now is we'll put a second application of sealer on. And again, we'll take a little break and we'll be back in about 15 minutes. Okay, we're back. This is the second application of sealer. It's loaded on the face of the stone for approximately 15 minutes, and we're gonna take it all off right now. On the second application, there is more on the surface than there was in the first application. Sealers take approximately 24 to 72 hours to cure, which means that the resin that is the actual sealing material is carried by the carrier, which can either be a water-based or a solvent-based. We're in fact using a water-based, the MB24. Spray a little water on here and see if it beads up. Oh yeah, look at that. That is cool. Give it a little bath here. You can see that the water is beating up. It was a good sealing operation. There we have it, a well-sealed piece of white marble.